Hello everyone, welcome again. And today I'm going to show you a demo of a demo medicine uh, uh, donation project. So let's move to the IDE, and here in the IDE we are using a STS tool, or also we can use the Eclipse. And for the backend technology, it's using Servlet, and for the front end, it's using JSP, HTML, and Bootstrap. And to manage the resources, it's using MVC architecture. It's following completely in Western industry standards and following the MVC architecture. Also, it's using form like Maven tool to manage the dependency. And so these are the tools and technology are there. Also, it's deployed over the Tomcat server. So it's a server it's using Tomcat to manage the backend. It's using MySQL server, and here we have database under the MySQL workbench, and this is the database. Under the user table we have user. So three types of users are there. The first one is an admin, and the second role ID two the user as a customer user or a donor, you can say, and third one is an NGO. Okay, so I'm gonna log in as an admin and will show you how the functionality is working as an admin, and what roles admin can perform, what roles user can perform, and what roles NGO can perform over there. So to run the application as the first time, if you have configured it your machine, as we are providing a remote support, so we'll leave the machine in this status in your system. After that, you have to just right click over the root folder of the project, go to run as, click on run on server, select the Tomcat as a server, Tomcat 8.5, and click on finish. Automatically application will launch at your browser, and if it not load in this browser, you can go there, go to your Windows and go there. So you can save the browser here, and we'll get this option in your updated version of IDE. It's not the traditional or the old. Okay, so if I talk about this, so this is the static page. This is the home page of the application. Again, we have a login page. Under the login page, we have the option to log in as an admin, user, and NGO. And we have reset option. We want to reset the data. And here we have a donor sign up. So as a donor, if I want to sign up into the application, I can sign up there. So I just enter some dummy data and click on the sign up. So it's required, it's using proper validation, so it's required a complete 10-digit number for the phone data, for the mobile field. And when I enter, it's saved successfully, and the data will be refreshed and display into the that was a registration, so it will be dollar registration, so it will be display here as this user we just added with the role ID 2. So it's just a user, or you can say the donor. Again, we have another sign option as an NGO. If you are an NGO and you want to sign up here, so as NGO you can sign up here, and you can enter your like all the details. I just fill up the form and enter the details. We'll check the validation also there. So there is two validation. First is like mobile number should be valid. So again, I enter a valid phone number, and we need to select this. So I'm just using a plugin API like extension. I'm just using extension to fill up the data, and so to save the time, click on the sign up, and the data is saved successfully now as an NGO. Now let's log in as an admin and check what admin can perform over there. So I just log in as an admin, and I just enter the username, and the password is here, enter there. I just logged in into the application, and what I can see as an admin, I have a user list, so I can perform the CRUD operation with the user detail. Like I can search by a name, search by ID to any user. So let's try this. Click on finish. It's filtering the data. Again, reset it, and we can check out this. Like these are the confirmations. So we recently added one user here. It's not confirmed yet, so it will be confirmed by like here we have an option reject or confirm. So when you click on the confirm button, it will say select a user. So I just select a user and confirm. It's accepted successfully. Now the status is changed here. Again, in the NGO section, whatever the NGO is going to register into the application, into the database, that data will be displayed here. And again, we have the option to confirm or not confirm. So as an admin, I can confirm these recently to NGOs. Also I can reject that, so it will be displayed a cross sign over there, and its status will be as a rejected. Okay, here also I can search by NGO name or login ID, and again, in the view donation, I can check the donation that is provided by any NGO or any donor. I can track the like requested medicine. If someone required, some user or customer required the medicine, he can ask, or he can request the medicine with the detail. So the data will be displayed here to admin. And here we have a my profile, change password, and a sign out option. I just sign out, and now we will log in as an uh, end user, or you can say, let's first log in as an NGO, then we'll log in as an user. So it will be easy to understand. So I'm gonna enter the password, and I click on the sign in button. So again, I have an option as an NGO to request a medicine. So as an NGO also, I can request a medicine to admin, and I can view the donations for my NGO. I can track the medicine request if someone give the request, and I'm going to click on sign out now, and I will log in as a user now. So let's see what a user can perform. So this is the user name for the user, and there is a password for the for this user. I just click on the sign in button, and I can see if anyone request any request any medicine or tablet, so that the detail will be displayed here. So as a user, I can donate it. If I have that facility, I can donate. And we have like a donate medicine. So if I want to donate any medicine, I can fill up this form, click the save, that medicine will display here. In case if I have other medicine that is apart from the requested. Okay, so donation history, I can check my history, what the donation I have done. We have a search option to generic and brand name, and again we have some common operations, my profile, change password, and so on. Okay, so that's it for the online medicine donation. So all the tools and technology of like clear to you. Also the versions that we are using, as I the for the MySQL especially, we are using 8.0, and Tomcat it's 8.5. So if you need the source code, you can contact us over the WhatsApp, over the mail. And in case you are worried about the configuration thing, so we have a complete remote team that will set up the complete project at your machine. In case if you need to understand the internal code architecture, you can also understand the code architecture, how it's working. You can prepare for their interviews. And or if you are worried about the only configuration, so we will do the configuration at also at your machine.